Kim, who is our movie star of the year, earned her major roles in certified box office hit movies like Bakit Hindi Ka Crush ng Crush Mo and Bride for Rent, cementing her top star status as a TV and film actress.
Hindi sa'yo yan?
Thank you again sa Peplist Award, of course, for nominating me sa category ko. Maraming salamat. And of course, again, sa lahat ng mga tao, walang sawang nagmamahal, sumusuporta, at hindi napapagod na pumindot ng laptop or cellphone para iboto kami dito sa PEP. Maraming salamat. Lagi niyo akong binibigyan ng inspiration to do more and do better sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Kaya maraming salamat at mahal. Thank you.